suban bi wo ye ho asa suban no ya misuro pe na ma ye ntumi ye enibre anwoya pesemi nkuminya hey ewo ni pepia ho but ya misuro God himself is even a jealous God.
For mama aqua bathroom ko eba too much GH so na ama owusa edimide na sabe joining issues and amede ebesomo ebusia for se na penny for eka ensem misa yokugro enti na abo akoto wenye ti no abayiwe bia o yes social media influencer abiemu yes atem na celebrate because na say the ultra movies no Moesha budong or the no sem bi abeto abontin na abayiwe ensem wa kan fa na for sem o si so na for sem o di si ni so ene to sa mani hu ene o how e dey abreno na wo cheche ni nsem no say ansa na wo koye ni body wenya ni figure krama na begidin wo Ghana ha no na tese bibia obeye bia na fofo ewo mu bi bia obefe bia na fofo tese wo no mo ena enko na wei ena tese ayo gugro no mu a wo mo hye nkan na body ni yente no koyeye wo ye ni body wie ye so a afedie o ji di na fofo so twetwa bloggers won China tese wo mo de say di na wo je no tse na ebe ya market no kra ebegu obi apom fe na so obi ampe na asembiem na wo so obehu sa de no no ne ya pa na de tona wokra won yankugro mu enene se ebra oba so atese ne hips ne to okoye nkofo ka wasema ofemu erinya abrante papa bia na nka o sponsor no support no ayokugro nti na dafo je abrante ifiri se me ya ma besi ne sasem no kai pa na ne hu anya asore no nti no de futo e de maka na fose be ya oba usiso na drum na twe na se wo ko kan wa babum kai be ya ubetwa na fofo apo no wo yomo sinchene saade a ene wa babo no ade papa apo wa babo na wo yokobo ni wo mu ade a obepamo amane funcha matese wuntimi ko kan e wa babo mu ebio na ne same way ode tuja e wo kukuseku Emilia Bobe ne show eso na mi twa mo abatese na me de mu nchemu no asomu.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo. We between family the great tempo. Bring. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too much yet, too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Na ebuja for me sanso mamo akwaba biem. Na ene day minya ba Miss Mexica wo ha ti se betwe enkomo edi afa Moesha ne semno ehu. Oba ma akwaba.
Minya ba na ye shia ya che.
Ye shia ya che pa. Hey, o fine. Da benesa o ko shen, wo no to ko shen. O ko yi.
So wa dog game ti dey me show.
You, ya tell you, everybody come on show you talk about it na question and they will be done one yakko. Okay. Emilia ba, ye hwe Moesha ne nsem a odi ebe to dwan say na wo cheche ne yonkufa bibi e de ko wiase say wetu ne honfo a the boyfriend eni ni nua be ma pe ene wa form say yonko a tese ne nsem nia wo ka che omo ne nsem no umu ne say wote asese
yo bi nia ba na ma le da wasi be no question wa to amane na mena makonyi so echi too much etifo ene ahwefo ni na asida kese pankoma irade ade a behye na asida toso mi enkoma ye director ene mama Juliet a chese o ma mi kitchen de wura wa sister
unti ade jai
mi wura mi kitchen na wa
comment okra ukodu anu ami machine keke
oh wa
kitchen setup mama Juliet there
brutal it obi ahwehwe mama Juliet na me niaba issue we dane da sese ekosopa ohwemu a okukuseku onipa wie ho ni program no utati pa ho se eniye anase nipa suban we efase no dane da epiemu wo ho na obi be ka se aya young people and young lady and youth nisiswa a foot on sacrum I just said so share kasi anyo kugonti no koto nyetere na u kachire we chiro bia we 18 years 19 years adam fufo be mo wa yese yo osio madam for net sa me dem ntisa u ka say wadam obi grab your sim obi ebi mu grab me say me ni adam for na so dey bi oni nipa osi oye madam for so ni suban ti say me suban so aye wa say ye wo kanesa sem bi say chere me wadam for na me chiro suban and a best of a feather. They flock together. Unti me in case be a wadam found need something in common. Then that friendship need friendship. So when youth say as an citizen American homo ye youth. Na se wo kasa dan fo bedi wo yan bo sho mu ye wadam fo aya no mu nyanti ase till say in social ebetu wo. We experience na man e kasa sa. Okay. Experience and I won't say Nindam fu famuno omo ne ye ni omsuba no timu se na abrabo no omo po biara keke we worldly enti ase onim na damfo na se e na we su nim we ase e na omo nim so omo na suban no enye den enye fe enti enye fe no ba ko de odi ebe ni onye papa wo mukra na so e de be blackmail you or the be black won say nipa nyo nipa nye say Uya emboa no obi wa or the bema but the moment I will start to say was any case mo be PM say or yes or yeah gina to social media or koye ne to a che so gidin no na dan fu bi be won as say o ko tua se de be ya blogger say on send din nanama ma physical pa o de dia be pio se bi obia o tia Won baby I ba bedroom sese wa brabo mo no nipa da se ni yesesa ye was some suban bi wo ye ho asa suban no ya misro pe na ma ye ntumi ye eni bre anwo ya pesemi nkuminya hey e wo nipa bia ho but ya misro God himself is even a jealous God. Okay. And God created us in his own image. It is a part no we have it. But ya mission e be kire wo say nia ya mfendi unyonko da unyonko se wo no nia wo pema wo pema obi enti anu na ma ni pe bi ye careful okay ma na ni mbre na nyonko na so me ni woti wo sisi a e bia wo ni bia me hu mobo mema nia wo pe bia mema but the movement I will start rising no you are making it yourself I won't nya birthday ma me biem and I won't depending on me biem no se nye nya me sra me ni be brew oni be premium enti sa na akoye enough ni bi wo won so omo nim ne e fe no nya me sro omo nim what is careful they don't know what is I don't have to envy you enti se akoba ni sa no won say obi a me no nya e she ghetto me no nya ke single room me no nya ko bi enim me enim yen na dey me hu say just wo trend on social media because akese na receive me hu say wo ko baby a me no me like me dwen ho me nya service na ka enye ne mpo na me ko but me nya na nka me na me nya service no na nka me ko fro sa atwede no na so enye me anti sa nipa no se nya me hu mobo ana nya me sure metina ni mu a obetumi aye bibia se na ebe ya obesa baba ka be ka no obehwe asesa na oba na simeti wa se ya na fofo bi wa de bion pese se na wotie na omudi ni mu sa na de bia ye sa de bia wo fom sa o menko kinda sa na na fo bi se bite wo ho pa nipa bebre wo a or even though ni we djume mu mpo de ma me fanfa na se ono no de wo edjume ni na echire wo owu se ye pro ono no hu mo bo so on sa lenke wo Edi will read you many. Let you say, we are bo abaso. You recommend you. Who climb me? Yami and Patan and the best bro. I'm on no best chuma. Obey to me, be painting a blue one, no apple in your cool jume. Then obey the position. A supine beer, a one pound was a supine, a hidden one. But say, Yami ding in your mood, dear. saa suban no unya control wo so enti entimi ndi wo so na emu se koba se wo jeja ho na wo de bababo no kwa na wo kɔ no rosa na saa hidden characters we na wo be yi ne di ewo afoforo ho ma che se wo no present wo se wo ye papa wo be ja marker enye like ewo nkrofo abrabo mu you will be an hindrances obstacles black sheep in people's life
Obama simi to ase na so the ahwe nia wo efa nipa ho no ebiem se nim say yonko bi asinua wotimi hia nipa bi wa brabo wotimi nipa bi to anamo wotimi sesa wa brabo kra sesa ono amu de okoso na ochwoko minka enkweche kra ko yehwe Fredexin any despite obi emu omo na yanche omo nsem anche baka so mu yebusuafo obi ni nua bata yonko fo ana omo de akodusa enti se yonko betimi ye yonko yi a na nipa so bibia obedu abobom dia behia nipa oyonko nipa ohwo a because nipa bi e no betima nanta na obebe hu se nipa we am fa na danfo yi de bia da obebo ame obema me nkoso obebo am because se se ade e pa chensa danfo grow enye de na Moesha kana se obeta o hu se ayonko fa enye ayonko sem enye na nso yese nim se yese nya nipa wa babom na yonko bi so ese oni anto be de hu se yonko we am ko fa ni obebo ame yonko we ya me ne ebetu anamoyi okay me hwe na babo a on shed and time on to inside obedi hu sa de no obi hu
yo miniaba yonko bi sinia ampa monkey play by their sizes
what go for to be real
so bad be real life is a process beginning of life at times so to me printing mistakes be to send ya yenya no mba ni bitumi ya na yemu bitumi but as time is going on in the process no na wusia de na disia ni mo no ebe mo ho ne ye bia wo be hu woni pem abo se nipa we obeboa me ana se nipa we onye den won boa me it is a in the process of life no you will have an encounter but where you are going it will get to a time a direction wo kon be share so nipa yeah it begin no life now we are ignorant. Ignorance is not an excuse. So you met people who were ignorant like you and I'm a movie here and now you've learned your lesson. Experiences have built you up to learn your lesson. So now this is where I want to go. This is where I want to be. So in the process on my way, no, who realize say I have to clear. Who say ujia edia bakrane efifia. Edu baby you have to prune it. Usone so na yeah usone so nyenye no wo hye na ne aye no so no etimi efifi mo sana brabo ne tie enti emre bi beba wo life mo how you learn out of experience na wo kono you will prune your life. Some people have to get out of your life and some people have to be added to your life and only a direction na wo kono enti wo hye hu krofo a you will know and na wo hye krofo so a wo hye direction na wo kono emboa wo so a you will know you will prune them and those that will help you to produce more no you will go with them enti dan for no e bi sinia nenso percentage ni e be say 10 mama ne ha 10% people are good.
10% of people are good.
There are some people there, they are very, very, very good. They are 1 in a million. They are there. And what will let you know, say, this person is meant for me, this person is for me, is the way Alipani acted towards you. Does it encourage you? Does it motivate you? Is the person trying to push you? Nipano ni suban o yi na di kire won ne nyoma bia o yi na di kire won no won den e ka e fa na ho e kire wo so yo bi a open krofo yie e yo bi a che se wo ya de bone a won fa ntetew on ko ka wo wachi wani mu na no wa ka kire wo mi ni aba ni a wo ye de ni a wo ye enye wo ye madam me pe wasem next time enye sa yenko ye say emfa nko wani say emfa nko wani we na de obeko wani wo hwe sa ni krofo na they are truthful. Oh, Musa, we are the bonnet. Not on for so sequoia. No, young cotton with and found or come with chia said. Or be case when you say I'll be correcting. Now, when now my clean heart. What am I say? Clean mind. And no, she has nothing to hide. like on yes of a step you at the back. Enti uncle can't you be say, oh why is or can now can any pan too for. If you are no in person or close to you, no. Or no one can won't find it serious. Enti if you are to say pen nipa we upuno, or nipa or casa ubeti, and your on any casa never or no benya casa, not just a home who say baby I walk on. If you are diverting and now watch here, such people are there. They are people with good spirit, want to see others doing well. All what they think about say I want to build, I want to see people doing so well. People that come into my life, you know, may present my life a blessing. And such people are there. But know, say 1 year obia when you want to say I'm being careful, I'm going this direction. You yourself, you know, when you dawa, you meet people so when in dawa. And I make a monkey play by their sizes. Enti weni dawa ube wo se nipa we ni dawo e na obeboa wo se weni dawo so a ube hia nkofo so weni dawo because we weni the same motive ni are wrong se wo wo kwaye wo tun a wo ni nipa ni nam na wo ye wo to no o say they are the same kind of caliber kind of people
o say o mo kan na se mo mo fa chire ko
no na me ka ba no wo say they are the same caliber when they need ska kwaye ni ntem. And one said they are the same caliber to them too. They went ahead to do it. And to be so the two for say and compone quiet. So what must say? They are the same kind of people. So the kind you are, you meet your kind. If you are a good person, gradually, if you are taught a lesson, later pass now you meet people on the way they are in your life to help you. But say, also here, obia bad person. Don't expect to attract good people. Magnet, they attract the like they contract and they repel. But it depends on say, are they where a magnet, where a magnet. When they are the opposite, like the same way, directional, they attract. But who say they are not, they repel. It is only the panel and crash to bind the same good character. Who cry good character, mimic bad character. We can't get along. What must say because ube say nipa we ne you know many jẹun eti you won't get along but say kobasi o in a bad people ye shit ye no monsa ye peshere mpele ye tu kwan ye ni akochele a ni akoye ye hu bia we be get along
so along
unless say
no ma montakras
unless say mi suenyansa anse na me hu say madam for ya me ne na mi onye ana wati masi obeboa mi ana wonboa mi na sa nyansa na bewie wa ana nyame ampata na se wu ni suban papa you meet people of your kind
na menua we dey komo no esia ne se futo ben ana mama emebu a wo mo ehwe young girls about say ayokogro eyo den pacho fatida
obibi a wo hwe me too much of everything is bad. In Danfono, and yes, and your cry, a bit in Danfo be wa a senior, or when you sing, or Piwadanfo, and I want Danfo, Fanny Mono, a foot to Unquan or the mouth, or shape you, or Puawo, Sandy Panocano correctio. No one said Nippa will nippe be at it, or Babwamia building my life. And no sano, a bonus farmer. But say, who can be so near or shame crow or shall one say, young Quano Monsa, yen P, young night club, yen bema semua. Now cost to fast and down for you be brave or life man. And you expect something good though. Because down your mother be brave and your more. Your more so near dear in what be papa be brave. Your more ye concern because in down from Bashia a ya concern a ya tro a ya nenti I see you being and shift from see don't bear maybe any baby because she bad be no more and ending no sika see him plain bear my anyway need sand down for no coffee beer hey or cuckoo se kuano that she be out be good people we ourselves we should build ourselves to be good so that good things will also come around us. And only me foot talk akwa me dey be obibi awo
nya ba wa ka say ye pa na ebusuafo ye di tinu kakra me dey be ka won say me obi a o se kire won na ye wadanfo se de obi a obi to obi a fe ne se kire nche se odo bi na o manti ye hu sense so ne ye fe futo no se na ye menua ba mesmesical a kire mu na ye de bobra e be boye send the video yi Emma wadofonom na ebiem so we mu fa opinion efa ko ya twa hase no etudwa e Too Much GH comment section me dey edena na ama obusa nya me ya toma e besa edi ehia bim following our Instagram page at Too Much GH_. Bye.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.